Welcome to Animal Sound Safari! Today we'll meet amazing animals and learn the sounds they make. Are you ready? Let's go!
Our safari adventure begins!
Let's see who we'll meet first.
Look! It's a lion! The lion says,
Roar!
"Roar!"
Can you roar like a lion?
Here comes the elephant! The elephant says, "Toot!" Can you trumpet like an elephant?
Look at the monkey! The monkey says,
Ooh, ooh.
Can you make monkey sounds too? Wow! Look at the tall giraffe. The giraffe loves to eat fresh green leaves. Can you stretch your neck like a giraffe?
Look! A colorful parrot! The parrot says, "Hello! Hello! Can you wave and say hello?" Look at the happy hippo! Splash! Splash! The hippo loves to play in the water. Can you clap like the splashing water? There's a crocodile! It likes to swim in the river.
We always watch crocodiles from a safe distance.
Can you wave goodbye to our crocodile friend?
Look, it's a panda. The panda loves eating crunchy bamboo. Munch, munch. Can you pretend to munch like a panda?
Wow! It's a tiger! The tiger says, roar, roar! Can you roar like a tiger?
Roar, roar.
That's right!
Let's play a fun game. Listen carefully. Which animal makes this sound? Roar. Roar.
Great listening!
That was the elephant!
Now,
Can you guess the monkey?
you're doing an amazing job!
Fantastic! You know so many animal sounds. Let's clap for ourselves. Are you ready for one more safari surprise? Our safari adventure is over. Let's wave goodbye to all our wonderful animal friends.
Goodbye, everyone!
Thank you for joining our Animal Sounds Safari. We hope you had fun learning with us. Subscribe for more adventures, and we'll see you again soon.
Goodbye, friends!